Hello, Lucy. Dr. Bird here. This is the big day. We're going to start seeing clients today on Bird Tweets. Isn't that very exciting? Hey, I need you to do that task that we discussed earlier in the week. You know, where you set up the voicemail with all the options for clients to choose the service that they need. Lucy, I'm really counting on you to get this right. I'm checking up on you later, so make sure you pay attention to the details. Have a super fantastic day, Lucy. Goodbye. Hello. This is Dr. Bird's office, and this is Lucy here. Although Dr. Bird is not able to take your call right now, she requests that you leave a message, and she will call you back right away. Please select from the following message options, by pushing the appropriate buttons. If you are an obsessive-compulsive, press 1 repeatedly. If you are codependent, please ask someone to press 2 for you. If you have multiple personalities, press 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you are paranoid, we know who you are and what you want. Stay on the line so we can trace your call. If you are delusional, press 7. Your call will be forwarded to the mothership. If you are schizophrenic, listen carefully and a little voice will tell you which number to press. If you are manic depressive, it doesn't matter which number you press. Nothing will make you happy anyway. If you are dyslexic, please press 969696696996. If you are bipolar, please leave a message after the beep, or before the beep, or after the beep. Please wait for the beep. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have low self-esteem, please hang up. Our operators are too busy to talk with you. If you are menopausal, put the gun down, hang up, turn on the fan, lie down and cry. You won't be crazy forever. Once you have made your selection, please press the button. And again, thank you very much for calling Dr. Tweetbird. She will call you back as soon as she is able. Goodbye.